Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and geometry. The topic that is about rectangle. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that perimeter of this one that's about 2L plus 2W. F that is about the length. W that is about width. And now F we have this one. W that is about this one. And we know that B equals to 18. So number 2 multiplied by number 4 and number 3 in here. So we have AS plus 6 plus 6S minus number 2. And now we put number 6 and negative number 2 go to the left. This one AS plus 6S. So we calculate this one and we have 14. This one we have 14. S we divide both sides by number 14. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.